What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today I actually just picked up the Tesla, my brand new 2022 Tesla Model S, and if you've seen the Model S, it actually comes with a front license plate holder installed on the front bumper and it can be easily removed. So today we're going to try and figure out how to remove it. I think I already found a guide that can easily do it, so we'll go through step by step. You're going to see me actually try and rip off or remove nicely this Tesla license plate holder from the front bumper of my Model S. So welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching another video, and let's get into it. So here is my brand new 2022 Tesla Model S long range. I just did a delivery video so you can see the whole process on how that went, but you can see right here, right in the front, there's a license plate holder that what I found is that it's stuck on by 3M tape. So I think I just have to remove some of the bolts, which actually I don't think I brought any of them. So I don't know how I'm actually gonna remove this. I gotta go find some upstairs, and then after that, I think it just slides right off. But I'm not even sure, do I even need to remove the bolts? I can't just like slide the whole thing off with fishing wire. I have some floss that should be able to remove it. I just have to wedge it right through all this and then get it off. But before we do that, here are my Tesla Model Y floor mats. I wanna see if it actually fits in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the front and then see if it actually fits. I have a feeling it might be like the same size, or nope, just kidding. It is completely off. Doesn't fit at all, and it's probably actually dangerous over there. So I'm just gonna take these out and put it back where in my closet. Actually, I had the wrong side from earlier. This actually, I put the driver's side in now and it actually fits pretty nicely. Hopefully it won't be too much of a driving hazard. I'll drive a little bit later today and we'll test it to make sure it is a-okay. So good to know, your Tesla Model Y floor mats or your Model 3 floor mats, because they're basically the same, will actually fit in a Model S. Let me try the passenger side. If I can wedge these in here. Actually, not bad. All right, so you're supposed to remove kind of this front plate with these 3 bolted screws, but I don't actually think that's necessary because I just watched the video and the back of this plate only has like adhesive stuck to it. So I think I'm just gonna try and remove it really quickly, or not really quickly, I'm gonna try and remove it. It might take a little bit because I'm basically hacking this, but let me first take a thumbnail picture really quickly. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this handy dandy floss. This is thicker than regular dental floss, so I should be able to kind of use a good amount of this, and I don't know, just try and pull it off. But this floss actually kind of hurts after a while, but ooh, that hurts. Screw me. I was afraid the floss might actually break like that. Shit. Oh no. Now I actually need fishing wire. Maybe if I go slowly. The other thing is I might try and like double up on this floss. Just see if that actually helps. I'm gonna use so much of this floss. I don't want to go to the store. Like no one really keeps like fishing wire around. I'm screwed. Like I really wonder if I just like spray Goo Gone back there, will it also really help? I think it might. Let's try. Goo Gone isn't really good for paint either, or clear coat for that matter. I'm getting this car, the reason why I wanted to take this off like immediately or as quickly as possible is because I'm taking this car to get paint corrected and ceramic coated tomorrow. And so I want them to kind of do the front of the car as well. But let me try and double up on this floss so it doesn't just break super easily. Like I don't need to go too strong, but I don't need to go like too fast either. It just needs to kind of slowly cut through and not break. All right, so like 2 seconds of that, or a few minutes of that, my hands are definitely starting to hurt a little bit. But I'm gonna let the Goo Gone, I sprayed it all along the top up here. I'm gonna let the Goo Gone settle a little bit and break down some of the adhesives so that it's just easier in a second when I try it some more. All right, let's try this again. I feel like it's cutting through just ever so slowly. More floss down. No, my hands. It's definitely starting to come off a little bit. I bet if I work this side a little bit, because I'm basically cut up to like right here. If I work this side a little bit, it's gonna come right off. But I'm just like burning through floss right now. Seems like the top side is pretty much all done. Ugh. I'm gonna just hit the bottom side, and oh, actually that seems like it's coming through as well. All right, seems like my strategy worked. Goo Gone is so nasty, it just stinks. Looking at this paint some more, it actually looks pretty okay. Actually, I don't know if I actually need to get ceramic tomorrow, but I mean, ceramic keeps the car clean, so it should be fine. All right, so this is pretty much coming off. I'm a little bit scared to kind of just rip it off. Maybe I'll hit it with some more Goo Gone and then let it settle some more. I sprayed some more Goo Gone. This floss is just pretty much donezo. But let's try again on this side. My floss is definitely a little bit stronger. Should definitely use fishing wire. Don't be like try and be like me and be cheap like this. This is not the easiest. Okay. Oh, and there it is. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So you don't have to remove the front plate. Maybe it's like a little bit easier, but that's basically what it looks like underneath. For this remaining part, supposedly you can kind of just roll this stuff like right off and then kind of use some more Goo Gone to kind of clean it off. But I'm just gonna do the best I can right here as much as possible and then hopefully the detailer or the place I'm gonna do PPF at, or not, the place I'm gonna do ceramic coating at can really remove the rest of it for me off. So I just hit it with some more Goo Gone. I just sprayed it some more and I'm gonna let that settle for a bit and then try again to remove it all off. I thought it would be easier and kind of roll off like I said in the video, but it definitely was not easy at all. This is actually super tedious, I would say. It doesn't really come off that easily. I want to like take like a plastic spatula and like scrape at it, but I also don't want to like fuck up the paint either. Alright, so it seems like the easiest way that I'm finding is you take a microfiber towel like this. After you spray it with some Goo Gone and let it sit for a little bit, and just try and like use the microfiber towel to pick up some of the rubber pieces of it, and then as you lift it up and pick it up, try and do a rolling motion so that it starts to roll some of the other gooiness away. That seems to be the best option right now. Like thankfully I'm taking this to a detailer tomorrow, so I'm not too concerned with the micro scratches, but I bet if I use two hands, it should help. You can see how as I pull it this way, it starts to pick up some of the pieces and then rub away. So I'm gonna just keep hacking at this for a little bit until it completely goes away. All right. One layer down, another one to go. Look at that. Actually Satisfying. All right. I don't know how long that took, but this looks way better than before. Just look at that. That just looks so clean on the front like that. So tomorrow I'm going to take it to the detailer, get it ceramic coated and paint corrected, and it's going to be looking pretty nice in the sun. So thanks for watching this quick video on removing this pesky front license plate holder. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you got some quick tips using the rags. If you have any questions, definitely reach out or comment down below. Love to hear your guys' thoughts. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.